Look guys, we have this Rakhi kit. So as we know, Rakhi is coming. So Krishika is going to make Rakhi and she will tie this Rakhi to her brother. So she's very excited for that. Are you excited?
Yeah. Hi guys, today we're going to make Rakhi. Look, these are the cards and Rakhi bowl. So are you making? So I'm making? Yes. So we have to open it. Happy
You need my help?
No. I can do it myself.
Alright.
No, I can do it myself.
Alright.
Look. We did open it. So we have to open this one. We have this cards here. So many cards. For and a bear. So we have to open it.
You need my help?
Yeah. Guys, your friends and my friends and my friends are your friends.
So guys, we have
We have
all the material here.
this and we have this
Can you show the card?
and we have this and we have and we have this and we have this. These are the cards. Have to keep the layers.
Yeah. So guys, look, you can see they have given sample also, like we can make card like this or we can make Rakhi like this. So these are the stickers we have already got in that kit. So Krishika, shall we start this?
Yeah.
Alright. So first of all, look, these are the bands. We have to check them and we have to make Rakhi like this. Alright.
Yeah.
So first, keep all the things here. Keep all the material here. Wait. Look guys, even in this kit we have got this sticky glue as well. I mean, through which we can stick the things.
Let's glue. Start glue.
Yeah, we already have that. Okay. So first what we have to do, we have to take that blue thread. Do you have blue thread?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in your hand. You already take it.
Open it and we have to take this out from these.
Right.
Or these are Timothy or this is the bits. And these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 cards.
Stickers. Alright. So this is the ribbon we are going to use. So Krishika, which design you can see here? Okay, let me check this. Look, we have so many colorful stickers. You want to make a big Rakhi or the small Rakhi?
Small Rocky.
Okay, so we can do one thing. We can take out. Can you take out design? Which design you want to place here? Okay, take this out. So what we can do here? You have chosen this one. Alright. So what we can do? We have this double-sided tape. Yeah. So we can sit down first. Look.
And me, I can do it.
Okay, stick this first here on the center. Yes. Now stick this one, this design. Beautiful. Now we can do one thing. We can stick some other design also. So,
And we can put this one.
you want to stick this one?
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
Red color.
Okay. I'll give you more glue.
Good morning to
Wait.
you.
Give me that. Which shape you want? You want to stick the star one?
Good morning, Chips. Good morning, Chips. Good morning to you, Chips.
Stick it.
Good morning.
Stick it on the flower. Stick it here. So, our one Rakhi is done.
It's the purple one is same with big giant. With that one is big giant purple. To put there.
You can do one thing. You can stick one design here and one here. Stick one circle here and one circle here. Which color you are choosing?
Purple.
Take another purple also. Do you have one more purple?
We have pink only.
Okay, do it. Wow, our Rakhi is ready. Can you show this Rakhi?
So guys, look, we made this in the VS Rakhi.
It's looking nice.
And then another one.
Okay, shall we make one more Rakhi? So this one is ready. So let's keep it here.
And it will be dry.
Yeah, it will be dry. So let's keep this here.
Then purple one. Then pink star. A pink star.
Pink star.
Then pink star left. Then pink star left.
Okay, okay. So wait. Which color you want? Out of these, not this one. Leave it. Which color you want? We have 5 more colors. Which one you want? Green one. Okay. Keep the ribbon here faster, Kisho. Please. Look. This is the center. We can stick it here. Now, which design you want out of these? First, check the design. Circle one. Cool. Now let's stick it here. Cool. Now you can choose any design.
Wow. Pink, 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 pink. Pink.
Take this here. Which color you want to stick? Wait, we have to stick the glue first. It will not go here. This is not the match. This is the match. So you can stick this circle here.
Oh.
Do it.
Jingly, jingly, jingle, jingle, jingle. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Look! I made this beautiful thing.
You can take out one more circle if you want.
Red is so much.
You can choose any color.
And green is a match.
You can choose any color, beta.
Look guys, we made this beauty. Oh. So guys, look, we made this beautiful thing with this one. So we have to put these there. Beautiful thing. Ah. Shake. Oh, ow. Fish.
Choose anyone.
Butterfly, butterfly. That one. Man, that's butterfly.
Okay.
Wow, butterfly. It's butterfly. Wow. Fly. Butterfly, butterfly, fly to your wall. Butterfly, butterfly, fly to your score.
You can see butterfly.
NCBT boy took one more to then came the rain and washed the spring. And ride the polar and so it's a Betty boy to climb water spout.
Let's take a circle.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So look, we made this beautiful Rakhi.
Alright. So guys, look, there's one more Rakhi's ready and it looks so pretty. Take this one.
Thread.
You can take out
The second one.
this red one. This will be the match with this.
Match with wheel.
This one.
I think this one.
Yeah, first put that. We have to keep this in the center.
Center.
We have to keep this here. Okay. And what we will do, now we are going to stick one more pattern here. So we can stick this green one. Sit down.
It's me sweetie. It's me sweetie. It's me sweetie. How good day.
And we can choose. Which pattern we can choose here? This one.
Yeah.
This one. Take this purple one out.
I think that's.
Take this purple one out. Here we have to match the shapes.
There.
Yeah, let's put this first. And stick it here. Very simple. Stick it here. Here. Yeah. Not bad. We were thinking like big Rakhi will not good look, but actually it's looking good. Krishika, how is it?
Nice.
Nice. I also think so. This looks nice.
Look guys, look. We made this. Guys, look. I made all these Rakis. And look, I'm holding it. Look, I'm holding. Look, I'm holding these Rakis for him. So we need to take it. To take for him. So we have to take it. Have to take from him. So guys, look, we made this beautiful Rakhi. Time to make cards. I'm going to make cards. So we have to keep it back. Nice. Mama, doing, I love you. See you, baby, smiling. See you, baby, smiling. Just for you. Just for you. So, look, I choose Rakis for the card. So, let's start.
So guys, we have 2 card sheets. Okay, so we will start with the first one. So Krishika, can you please take this white Rakhi? Okay, so I'm just putting the glue here, and what we will do, we will stick this beautiful Rakhi here. Can you help me please?
Yeah.
Look like this. No, let's keep it there. We are making card with this Rakhi. Wow, how is it looking?
Nice.
Nice.
And then the card.
So guys, look. Okay, now this one. Okay, this time you will do this.
Oh, okay.
Stick the Rakhi.
This one. Oh, okay.
It's okay, we can clean it later on. Perfect. Good job. So guys, look, Krishika did this, and this is also looking very, very beautiful. So now, Krishika, would you like to write something here?
Yeah. Dollar.
Take it, make a small heart here.
I'm gonna make A.
No, make a heart.
I'm gonna make A.
Make a heart, please. Heart.
Hot.
Small. L
L.
O
R.
V E.
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 So guys, look, we made this beautiful thing. Look, we made this beautiful thing with little swimming.
So it's time to say
Goodbye. Bye. See you next time, guys. Subscribe us.